Navient delivers AI-assisted surgical planning for spine fusion procedures. Automatic spine segmentation and labeling is available even in spinal deformities. Each vertebra is accurately identified, in this case of severe scoliosis. Once vertebra labeling is complete, the system activates assisted planning mode for pedicle screws. With a single click on the corresponding icon, Navient automatically adds a pedicle screw. Its trajectory is optimized based on the patient's unique morphology. Intuitive anchor points in planar views allow manual refinement of the position, angulation, and size. Once confirmed, the plans become eligible for navigation. A printable implant report supports case-specific inventory preparation. These new features increase efficiency while preserving the highest standard of procedural safety.